Hey, we caught one last night. It was a little too small, so we let him go, but at least we got one. The wind and the rain's hitting us again pretty hard. We gotta check the last two poles.
Somebody stole Mandela.
Oh, you need towel.
Yeah.
Evolve towel.
Oh, an evolve towel. Big boys.
The other spot was blown out, so we're gonna sample the high banks. Getting ready for the rain.
Always tie slip knots. Oh yo, my brother. Come on, big boy, bring home the big boy.
I busted up my toe pretty bad on this steak.
Smoked meat from one of the pigs we catch. Look at the quality on that, huh? 60-40. Major. Wow.
The wind and the rain found us.
Hey, let me turn off my linger. Oh, whoa, yeah. Oh, what guy just...
It's Makai's birthday today, and we got a little surprise for him.
Hopefully he wished for a big lure. I put some on the outside too.
Brother Makai.
Happy birthday. Make a wish, boy.
Now he's of age for the cougars.